When you travel in a land that has witnessed some of the most celebrated civilizations, when you traverse the terrain that stands testimony to a timeless tradition of art and culture, we believe you should have the best of everything: adventure, excitement, comfort, and sheer luxury. We've joined hands with a world-renowned manufacturer of rail cars, ICF, to add wheels to our dreams. Built with the finest expertise, the highest quality material, and the greatest care, ensuring truly world standards in safety and comfort. MTDC presents the Deccan Odyssey. The train has all the luxurious features and facilities of the finest of international hotels. Each of the coaches carries the name of a historic site in the state of Maharashtra. The cabin coaches are named as Anjaneri, Ratnagiri, Raigad, Sinhgad, Sindhudurg, Mahim, Naldurg, Vijayadurg, Gavilgad, Daulatabad, Ambagad. The cabin coaches have a combination of twin bed and double bed guest cabins. There's a bed with a side table and a folding writing table. The floor has a specially designed carpet. And the cabin walls have wainscoting panels. The cabin has an attached toilet with water closet, wash basin, shower, vitrified tiles on the floor, and designer tiles on dado. The tour will take you to one of the world's most admired cave architectures and paintings. When you've walked past the world's largest monolithic center, when you finish musing over the monuments where Buddhist monks once meditated, come back and recline in the luxury of one of the presidential suites named Ajanta and Verul. Each suite has a sitting room, a bedroom, and an attached toilet. And the art you'll see all around you will be identical to the historical features you've just seen. Now it's time to breeze into Mumbai High, a bar that will take you back to the bygone era of colonial British Mumbai. Laid with comfortable lounge-type seating arrangement, in combination of sofas and lounge chairs forming various groups of 4- and 2-seaters. There is a bar counter with bar stools, and formal bottle display on the backdrop panel. And if your thought is turning to food, the Deccan Odyssey has two restaurant cars named Peshwa 1 and Peshwa 2. Each restaurant can accommodate 36 covers arranged in a combination of 4-seater and 2-seater tables lined up on either side of the coach. The decor is inspired by the Vishram Bagh Wada of Pune, the cultural capital of Maharashtra, built by the Peshwa rulers of the early 1800s. You'll feast your eyes on the same intricately carved wooden brackets decorated with peacock and parrot motifs in these restaurants. The ceilings have traditional wooden motif, and the general effect is carried through the seats, curtains, pelmets and light fixtures. Then there is good news for tourists who mean business. There is an exclusive coach, Samvad, where you can relax, read and enjoy the facilities of a business lounge. This coach can be used for conferences and group meetings. Facilities like internet connectivity, business reference library, plasma TV, DVD are all available here. The gym coach, named Spa Plumeria, provides fitness facilities to the guests. There is a provision of a mini gym with an area for exercising, yoga and vipassana. The other facilities include a massage room, a beauty parlor, steam and shower. The Deccan Odyssey is designed to be truly extraordinary, an inspiring discovery of the magnificence of Maharashtra. One of the most enjoyable expeditions you'll ever experience. When you return after 7 days of splendor, you take home memories of not just some of the greatest destinations, but an unforgettable journey filled with care, comfort, and hospitality.